Hey beautiful people, welcome to my channel. Today I am making a special video just for you, to thank you, to appreciate you for all your love, for your support, for the times you have taken to visit my YouTube channel to support me. Thank you very much. This video is specially for you. I am making today fried rice. Today is Valentine's Day. I am making fried rice for you. So let's go right into the kitchen. Come with me. These are the ingredients we need: parboiled rice, turkey wing, liver, 3-color bell pepper, carrots, onions, green peas, fresh ginger, scotch bonnet pepper, curry powder, white onion, seasoning cube, vegetable oil, and salt to taste. I'll leave all the ingredients. I'll write down all the ingredients in the description area. The first step is to season, cook, and fry the meat. When you are about to season the meat, have in mind that it is the water that comes out from the meat that we use to cook the rice. So you season it very well and add enough water. But then before you add the water, you still steam the meat. Cook only the meat with the ingredients until the water comes out from the meat itself. That helps the meat to absorb the ingredients so that it will very, very tasty. Then you add water, cover, and cook. And when the meat is cooked, it is tender, you bring it out and then you fry. You fry until they are brown. If you want to use the oven to bake it, to roast it, you can as well do that. While you are frying the meat, drop onion inside the oil because it gives the meat a very wonderful taste and aroma. You see how the meat is coming out? I feel like eating the meat already without cooking the rice. Oh, see, look at this. The meat is fried and ready, so you set it aside and proceed to wash the rice. You need to wash it very well to remove the starch. And how do you know that you have removed all the starch? After washing the rice, you drain the water and the water is clear. It comes out clear. That's when you know that it is very washed. And then you pour in warm water into the rice and cover it, set it aside. And now we are going to prepare the water that comes out from the meat, the broth. We are going to prepare it to cook the rice. You add the spices, the salt, seasoning cube, the pepper, and then you taste for salt and bring the water to boil. Then you add the rice. Add the rice and make sure that the water is just a little above the rice level, and then cover and cook on medium heat until the rice is cooked. Personally, I don't like undercooked rice, so I like to cook my rice very well. And then when the rice is cooked, I'll set it aside and proceed to prepare the vegetables. If you notice I did not add oil to the rice, it's because later I will add oil to fry the vegetables and of course fry the rice. So I will fry the vegetables separately. The reason is that each vegetable has its own cooking and frying time, so I don't like to fry all the vegetables together, so that I'll fry them and they will be tender. They will not be over fried, overcooked. You see this? They are very well fried and ready for cooking. Now use a flat pan to fry the vegetables with the rice. That is why it is called fried rice, because you must mix and fry everything together to get the fried rice. This is very easy to cook. It's only the cutting of the vegetables that takes time. Apart from that, it is very easy to cook, and you have your very lovely, wonderful, delicious and yummy Valentine fried rice, specially made for you. Hey, once again, we have come to the end of today's video. Thank you for sticking around till the end, and remember to stay hydrated and be positive. Stay positive. Don't allow anything that is happening in the world today to sway you, to make you lose hope. No, there is hope. Stay focused. Be positive. Your mental health is very important. And lastly, you know that I love you. See you in my next video. Bye.